Welcome. Today, let's explore the easiest way to send a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp using your PC, thanks to the latest update. If you want to share a photo that disappears after being seen just once, follow along with these simple steps. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp app open on your PC. If you haven't already, log in and head over to the chat where you want to send your photo. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat, whatever suits your needs. Once you're inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip and is found near the message box. Click on it, and you'll see a few options pop up. Choose Photos and Videos to browse the images stored on your computer. Now it's time to pick the photo you want to send. Navigate through your folders, select the image, and click Open. This will add your chosen photo to the chat window, ready for the next step. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a small icon with the number 1 on it. This is the View Once feature. Click on this icon to activate one-time viewing for your photo. When you do, you're telling WhatsApp that you want this image to be seen only once by the recipient. After enabling the View Once mode, simply hit the Send button. Your photo is now on its way, and your recipient will only be able to view it a single time before it disappears from the chat. This feature is perfect for sharing sensitive images or private moments without worrying about them being saved or forwarded. And that's it. You've just sent a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp from your PC. With this new update, keeping your photos private is easier than ever. Try it out the next time you want to share something special, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with extra privacy.